Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing Hot Wheels International N case. We're going to get to it because I'm at my old spot. I haven't been in the spot in a while. It's a lot hotter since the last time. And if it sounds like I'm looking away from this microphone occasionally, it's because I don't want to get run over. But I like this spot. Times I'll do it, it will be very cold and snowy. Other times it'll be very hot like today. So we're going to get this done. A&J Toys sent it, forgot to bring the card. So I'll put the link down below, but let's get right to it. Very, very excited to see what is in the N case. We've done the M case recently. And Mattel still has to send me a couple, so we're going to do it, but let's just do it right now. We start Forward Force. Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. We've seen this one. Here is the Toyota Land Cruiser. So here's our first highlight. It is fantastic. Toyota Land Cruiser 80. This is a highlight for sure. I'm going to put this off to the side. The others I'm just going to throw into this box onto the side. We'll put that right there. Brand new model. Really digging that. Fusion Busta. Have to look around. No cars coming. 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This is a recolor in gray. That looks fantastic. I'll try and put it in the sun so you can see it. And then a recolor of the Ain't Fair. Green to start, right? Then orange. Really digging that Miata. Nissan Leaf, we have seen that one. We've also seen the Ford Raptor. We've also seen the... No, we haven't seen this color of the Ford Raptor, right? In this maroon color. And then the Space Jam 70s van. Nissan Silvia, still got to do the M case highlights, so maybe we'll do M and N together. M and N. I'm not going to sing it. I might get docked and not be able to monetize the video if I start singing Eminem songs, but we'll do that highlight. Okay, we've seen all of these, right? Very cool trio of cars. Turtle Shell. I don't know if we've seen that one in chrome. There's the Eric Stein rod and the Tricera truck. We've seen, okay. We've seen the Honda Civic Type R, right? Oldsmobile 442 in Golf colors. This looks fantastic. A lot of you Golf collectors out there, the Olds 442 is a fantastic casting. That is a highlight. I'll put that right there. And then the 82 Dodge Rampage. We're seeing other highlights too, but I am limited on space. Oh man, there's a highlight. Mercedes-Benz 500E was black. Now it's silver. Highlight for sure. 2018 Ford Mustang and the 52 Chevy recolor in gray. Looking good there. Oh! Forgot about that one. Honda Civic Type R. We've seen that one. The Audi R8 Spider was the super in the last case. There's a normal one, and I have been excited about this. I just showed the Bugatti Veyron, right, from that new quarter mile set. And I said once we get this one, we'll do a full highlight of all the Bugattis. It is the era. It is the Bugatti EB110 SS. Ryu Asada designed it. Oh man, I can't wait to open that one up. Highlight for sure. Put the others in here. Eruption, 52 Chevy and the Turtle Shell. AMC Rebel, we've seen that. Mad Manga X Jet, we have not seen that. That's the X-Men's jet, right? Not a huge fan of all the jets because they're so small, but you know, that one looks pretty cool. We'll definitely open that one as part of the highlights. There's your Audi R8 again. Oh, we've got it. We got the ID Chase. Look at that. Haven't opened one of those in a while. 2015 Dodge Charger SRT is the Chase for this one, the ID Chase car, and it looks fabulous in gold. So there is that. Nice. I will take that one for sure. We'll move it into the highlight pile. Move these over here. And then get back to the 49 Ford F1. Now, if this one had real riders, that would be a super treasure hunt. It does not, but it looks cool with the white walls, does it not? 67 Camaro and the 22B. All right, let's see what else is here. Still no cars coming. I like doing these unboxings this way. Love this road. All right, we've seen the Lamborghini, fantastic. We've seen the Ford Bronco, also fantastic. And we just recently have seen the Land Cruiser 80. Super, super cool. 5215, right? Or 1552, that's how it goes. I just noticed that. Love the color on that one. Chevrolet Impala looking good. We saw that in black. Right now it's a fire and rescue car. Nissan R390 GTI, that's a highlight. Recolored in red. And then another bat car. Lamborghini, Aston Martin 177. We've seen that one. And then the Devencinator, seen that one. La Troca in white, looking cool. Forward Force in the Semi Rollin'. Happy to see another Bugatti. We'll definitely, I can't wait. Another R390 and the Buick Regal GNX. I was going to open that for that last highlight video. I haven't done that. Grand Cross, GT Scorcher, and the Rally Baja Crawler. Is that a recolor? Might be. Ain't fair. Oh, Porsche 914 Safari in white. That looks awesome. Now that's a highlight for sure. Pixel Shaker. Really like that 914. I don't think that 914 has gotten the love it deserves. Praying Menace, Nissan Silvia, and the Rebel Machine. Another X-Jet. So the new models are getting a lot of, at least doubles here. The Rocket Oil Special. Don't know if I've even pulled the regular treasure hunt. You guys are going to have to tell me. But I don't have time to go back because I'm opening this up in the middle of the road. Okay, the Ducati Scrambler, is that new? I don't know because it's the International. It's not the Moon Eyes one, right? I don't know. Mad Splash and the Fusion Busta. I get my planes and my motorcycles all mixed up. Aston Martin, we've seen that one. The 70s van and the Ford Bronco. Was hoping we'd see a Cybertruck, and we have. So only one in each case, right? From the M and the N. There's the Toyota Celica looking awesome in teal. Wow. And then the Robo Race Robo Car. Got through it, guys, and I'm still alive, and I'm not flat, not mashed, smashed, and no one's coming still, so we can say, what are the highlights? These are your two major highlights in my view. Bugatti and the Land Cruiser 80, two new models that look fantastic. So kudos to those. We'll definitely open those up. Porsche, the Nissan, the 49 Ford. Recolor of the Mercedes, that Golf Olds 442. There's some other highlights that I didn't get to, like the Celica. Right there. And then how about that? Finding the ID Chase. We'll take it. All right, guys. You tell me what you think about this case. That is the N case. Not bad. I cannot. All right. M&M. We'll call it the M&M highlight video will be coming. M case, N case. I won't sing any M&M because you don't want me to do that. I promise that. That's my promise to you. But anyway, take it in. Thanks, everybody. Bye.